Story less than 5 minutes. Intermediate level. In a bustling city, there lived a skilled detective named Emma. Emma was known for her keen observation and sharp intellect. One day, she received a mysterious letter, asking for her help to solve a perplexing case. The letter led her to a grand mansion filled with secrets. As Emma delved deeper into the investigation, she uncovered a web of deceit and hidden motives. With her wit and determination, she unraveled the truth, bringing justice to those who deserved it. Emma's expertise in solving the case made her a renowned detective, known for her ability to crack even the most puzzling mysteries. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!